It's another great day. This is Dr. Willie Jolley, and I'm so excited by the responses I've been getting from people who said they were inspired by the lessons I've been sharing from my marriage book, Make Love, Make Money, Make It Last, 10 Secrets to Shape a Great Marriage, that I wrote with my wife, Dee. I want to let you know that there's a chapter in the book for people who are not yet married. It reads, you must have a thoughtful decision about who you're going to marry. Life involves many decisions, but the most important decision you will make after the decision about your faith is who you would choose to marry. The person you marry will be responsible for 90% of your misery or 90% of your joy. So you must choose wisely. You must make a thoughtful decision, not an emotional decision. See, love is an emotion, while marriage is a decision. Make a thoughtful decision about who you will marry so you can have a happy and wonderful life together. This is Dr. Willie Jolley. Go to jollymarriage.com, get a free chapter from the book, jollymarriage.com, and remember, your best is yet to come.